Fortune doesn't favor fools. Hey guys, this is Kang as Miss Fortune. Today is a very special day for Riot and Secretlab fans as we are about to unbox the Secretlab Titan Evo Miss Fortune gaming chair in regular variant. That is why we are doing some matchy with my chair. I already got the Jet Valorant Secretlab chair, and finally we have one from League of Legends. That's why the fun begins now. We're done ripping this off, and the reveal. And voila! Okay, there you go. You can already see the design here at the front part of the box, and of course the specs. And underneath we have this big manual that shows how to assemble this chair that we are going to be doing right now as well. But before that, I just need to set this aside so we have space for the assembly. So let's just remove everything out of the box first, okay? So we have here the Welcome Home to Comfort Secretlab Access underneath. We have here the backrest already, some bubble wraps that we won't be needing. We need this one for later, and then we have here the base. There you go. We will be attaching the wheels over here. There's 5 wheels available. We have this black box that contains, this is the armrest top, cloud swap. Next up is the splash memory foam that is magnetic. And last but not the least, this is actually the base, the gas thing for the lever. So we got here the backrest. Secretlab chairs use cold cure foam for comfort and posture during prolonged gaming sessions. They also have the new hybrid leatherette, making it durable and lasting for so long. They use it usually on most of their leather gaming chairs. It has 2 lumbar knobs on each side that you can change the height or the curve depending on your preference. We have here a magnetic memory foam head support that is so fluffy. I'm gonna die. And the base has a full metal 4D armrest that is adjustable. You can also put the cloud swap PU foam on each side, on each armrest rather. That is just so comfy. I love this so much. Inside the accessory box is some tools, of course the wheels that will be attaching to the base, and then we have some covers and backbone of the chair. What do you call this? Oh, it's the piston. It's the hydraulic piston, and then some levers for the tilt and height. Okay, so since we're done, let's start assembling. And since you reached the end of this video, you were fortunate enough to find these treasures. This coming November 11 to 13, we are having the 11/11 mega sale. You can save up to 6,760 pesos, and all Secretlab chairs get 800 pesos vouchers, free shipping, plus Secretlab accessories worth 2,000 pesos. And aside from that, 2 lucky winners will get a chance to bring home their very own Secretlab Titan Evo Miss Fortune gaming chair. All you have to do is answer this simple question in the comment section. When was the character Miss Fortune released? I wonder. Well, that's it. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. And again, this is Kang, and see you on the rift.